You can see over there, there's the cornfield. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Stagro Farms. Okay, this is the second time we're visiting for this week. The last time we visited our farm was actually on Sunday. So we are here today. You can see how well our bananas are doing. They're doing pretty well. So this is the 4th month. You can see this is the 4th month and we've actually applied manure. So let's go to our banana orchard. These are plantain orchard. This is a banana orchard. The second one, we just applied manure, organic manure. So what we use is actually cow dung manure. Over here is our Malaysian apple. You can see it's already sprouting, doing pretty well as well. Here is our purple star apple. You can see over there is our custard apple. Let's get closer. Here is our custard apple, doing well. Over there is our sauce up. Yeah, let me show you our purple, how good they're doing. This is our purple tree. So we kind of line them up here, line our purple up here, likewise here. So this is another one. There's another one over here. You can actually see. So we also have another one over here. So the thing is that they're doing pretty well. They're doing very, very well. You can actually see they're purple. Okay guys, I don't know if you guys remember when I did some correction when I talked about how we have a deep clay somewhere around here that was actually retarding the growth of our banana, which we've replaced with this one. So I did some correction where I dug a big trench and then I kind of filled it with compost manure and then humus soil that can actually boost the growth of the plant. So I had to replace or replant the banana tree. You can see this is about 1 week after that process. You can see how well the banana is doing now. This was the banana that couldn't sprout good leaf, but you can see now this was the last leaf sprouted and this is the second leaf after the transplant. So it's actually doing pretty well and it's fresh as well. You can see it's actually fresh and nice. So at some point when you notice that your bananas or your plantains are not doing pretty well, it might be as a result of the environment. The soil fertility of that environment is low. It might retard the growth of your bananas. And you see here, we have wonderful soil here. And so this guy is doing pretty well. We've actually applied manure. So likewise, these ones. See how vigorous they're actually growing. You can see doing pretty well. So here is our, what we have here in our farm is a elephant giant plantain suckers. These plantain suckers or this plantain variety will give you quality yield and they grow very well and they produce very fast. 7-8 months you're already witnessing flowering of these guys. So it's very good you get this. So you can see how well they're doing. This is the 4th month and they're growing nicely. Okay guys, over here is a Owari Sasuma mandarin. You can see, wow, in just about 1 week it has sprouted this long branch. You can see from this point, from this very point, it was the last branch we had. So new sprout came on board from this point and that's the length in just 1 week. Likewise this guy in just 1 week. So it actually took it about a month to start this process. It actually grafted, got a grafting point or grafted point here. So it was grafted on a rough lemon. These are Owaris Asuma, doing pretty well. So hopefully we're looking forward to getting fruit soon. Here is our pink pomegranate. They're actually growing very well. I can see our pink pomegranate. Nice. So we've applied manure to them to actually boost their growth in real time. Here is our soy sub. Good morning. So guys, right now we're actually weeding at the moment. So we have a few grasses that are actually springing up. So we need to get rid of them. We've not had rain for the past, I think, 4 or 5 days. So they are not growing rapidly at the moment. So we want to get rid of them so that the sun will actually hit them. They dry up before the rain comes. So let's continue.